Assalamu Alaikum and Hello everyone. Waving hand. Welcome back to H. Marketing, your go-to channel for discovering practical, high-quality Amazon finds that truly make your life easier. Whether you're someone who loves meal prepping, wants to keep leftovers fresh, or is simply tired of leaky containers ruining your lunch bag, then stick around because today's product is a kitchen essential you don't want to miss. Have you ever packed a lunch and opened your bag to find a total mess? Well, that ends today because we're reviewing the Rubbermaid Brilliance 3.2 cup food storage containers, set of 5. A sleek, crystal clear, completely airtight solution that is trusted by over 120,000 Amazon reviewers. Let's break down why this set has become a top pick across American households. This isn't your average plastic container. Ice cube airtight and leak-proof. The airtight lids with secure latches make these containers 100% leak-proof. No more spills in your bag or fridge. Green salad perfect size for meals. With a 3.2 cup capacity, these are ideal for lunch portions, meal prep, leftovers, and even snacks for on the go. Glowing star, crystal clear, and durable. These containers are made with high-quality BPA-Free plastic. They look like glass, but are lightweight, shatter-resistant, and super durable. Package space-saving design. The stackable structure means they take up minimal space in your fridge or pantry, and the uniform size keeps your storage simple and neat. Prohibited odor and stain resistant. That's right. Even tomato-based sauces won't stain them, and they don't retain odors like other plastic containers. Here's what real users love about these Rubbermaid containers. Wide heavy checkmark microwave and dishwasher safe. Pop them in a microwave with the lids on. They're vented so steam escapes safely. Wide heavy checkmark crystal clarity equals no guesswork. Instantly see what's inside without opening each container. Wide heavy checkmark Amazon's choice product. With over 122,000 reviews and a 4.7 star rating. It's clear that these containers deliver exactly what they promise. Wide heavy checkmark great value. At just $37.32 for 5 containers, it works out to around $7.46 per piece, a solid investment for daily convenience. This set is ideal for busy professionals who bring lunch to work, families prepping meals ahead of time, students needing reliable storage, anyone tired of leaky, low-quality containers, health-conscious people into portion control. Whether you're a college student, a parent, or someone trying to eat healthy, these containers make life just a little easier and a lot cleaner. Ready to upgrade your kitchen and say goodbye to messy food storage? Shopping cart. The link to buy this Rubbermaid Brilliance set is right below in the description. Go check it out on Amazon now. With its current discounted price of $37.32, this is the perfect time to grab a set for yourself or gift one to a friend who could use an upgrade. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, share this video with your family and friends, and tap the bell icon so you never miss out on more great Amazon finds. Thanks so much for watching. Assalamu Alaikum wa rahmatullah, and take care. Waving hand.